Oh, hi guys! Sorry, how are you? Welcome to my channel on this beautiful best day ever, and welcome to my turbo traffic review. It is Sylvia from Sylvia's Marketing. Did I say that? No, not yet. Hi, it's Sylvia. Hey, so this product is going live on Friday, Friday, June the 4th. And as you can see, I do have access to this product, Turbo Traffic. I love the name Turbo. Yeah, go guys. So I'll show you much more and talk to you about this product more in detail later on. But first I want to give you a little bit of a background on who actually created this product. Because I know these guys, they're actually colleagues of mine, the members of the same training, affiliate training, like a high ticket training program that I am a member of called Ministry of Freedom. And the very sweet guys, Wilson Novoa, please forgive me Wilson if I am not pronouncing your surname properly, but I think I am, Wilson Novoa and Neller Fernandez. Oops, my apologies about the noise. So yeah, I have been interacting quite a lot with Neller actually. He seems like such a sweet, genuine and friendly guy. And but basically in this product, which is not another app or software, it's more like well, it's a method on how to create automated traffic sources that will allow you to get many leads, many emails, because as we know, the money is in the emails. Not the emails, the money is in the list, but yeah, it's emails, right? The leads. And Neller, shows his journey, how he went from zero, and I mean it in a respectful way, because he wasn't like doing online stuff like online marketing or online business before 2019. He actually used to work as a captain, on ships. How cool is that? But from since not 19. I'm bad with numbers. I have to visualize them first to say it properly. But from 2019, yeah, he's been working on his online business and he made amazing progress, which is really, really impressive. I am impressed with you, Neller, okay? Now he's got like over 20,000 emails already. And this guy is very passionate about like fitness and healthy lifestyle as well. I've seen some of his posts. I have to get in touch with him because I'm very passionate about like fitness and healthy lifestyle, especially how to stay healthy naturally, so we can talk. Anyhow, so these guys created this amazing, I would say, an information product. That's the best way to put it. Right, and so yeah, do you love it? If you do, stay with me because I am giving you some bonuses away today as well, and they are free, so check them out. The way you access my bonuses is via the link that I have attached down below my video, and you will land on this bonus page if you click on that link. And here are my bonuses, which have been actually created by my mentor. His name is John Armstrong, so he's the creator of Ministry of Freedom. So this training program, we all are members of, including the creators of this amazing training. So the first one is of my bonuses, access the high ticket mastery. The second one is Bing PPC hack. The third one is how to build a website for dummies. It's not that difficult at all, but I mean it can be a pain in the neck, creating a website, but especially the hosting and stuff, but with the right guidance, with the right information, it's quite easy. And then the last one is access stealth. not the last one, the number 4, that's the last one, special bonus, because it gives you access to all the vendor bonuses as well. Alright, again, just please do click on the link below my video, and that will take you will end up here on this bonus page. Then you just click on this yellowish, orangey button. I don't know, am I colorblind? I guess it's orangey. And from there you will be sent to a sales page where you click access, instant access, something like that. And finally you will end up, it's quick, but then you will end up to access the product and my bonuses on a platform called Warrior Plus. So the blue one is my bonuses, the red one is the product, the turbo traffic. Alright, so now the sales page is here. Really good job, really good job. Well done for Neller and Wilson for putting this product together. I'm really proud of them. And you've got some loads of testimonials here. This one is I'll tell you a bit more about the testimonials in a second, but let me just go through the headlines with you first. Sorry, this page is jumping up and down, but I think I got to the top of it finally. Okay, so it says, learn our proven method of creating automated traffic source that has made us a list of 21,000 subscribers and buyers. Yeah, that's important. So, you turn those, that's the thing, to turn those subscribers into buyers. And, it's some of the benefits is that, they give 30-day money-back guarantee, it's newbie friendly, it's basically how to drive organic referral and social traffic to whatever you promote, and you don't need any experience. They'll be sharing the experience. There's a case study where they talk about how they turned what they have been doing into a success. And here we have some testimonials. All of these guys are members of my training course, Ministry of Freedom. Kalim, I love this guy, Kalim. We exchange a lot of jokes, Yeah, we connected, which is lovely. Okay, and here's some bonuses which they give you also, like if you buy this product. So some extra bonuses, which is awesome, 4 of them. Beautiful. Now let's move on to the actual product. So turbo traffic, this is what you guys get when you buy it. That's the members area. And you have introduction from Wilson and Neller. And also you can subscribe to their YouTube channels. They have a lot of amazing videos, very helpful information. And what I would really recommend you to do once you buy this product is to join the Facebook group, because that's where you get the support. Having the training or whatever content is one thing, but having access to good support is like a different level. It takes it to another level, because obviously, especially as a beginner, you will have loads of questions in your head, doubts, you will feel disencouraged at times, because it's not like a Speedy Gonzalez business model. Obviously you have to have the right mindset of a real entrepreneur. So it's not like a 9 to 5, get it always the other way around. 9 to 5 job, you will be investing a lot of time, you will need a lot of determination, consistency to see results in the future, but that's what you work for. Now, like later on, the income will be passive. So you have to understand the difference, and having the support is invaluable. I know, like it is for me, because as I said, I'm a member of a high ticket course, Ministry of Freedom, and the support I get from my colleagues is through the roof. They kept me going, basically holding my hand. Anyhow, so you have the introduction here, and then in this one here, 300,000 per month, he gives you like Neller gives you a link to webinar, in which one the guy who's made a webinar shows you how his journey basically from nothing to making this amount of money per month. So check out this webinar for sure. Next one is a case study. Neller talks about his experience and how he went from, again, zero to hero. You're the hero of Neller, you are. And then he talks about types on traffic. So here are the 3 types of traffic. The first one is free traffic. So you have mailers, Quora, Reddit, and Pinterest. So here are the, basically platforms where you access the free traffic. Again, it is free, right? But you kind of trading your time. There will be a lot of investment time-wise. No money involved, but if you have a lot of time and your finances are so not so good, then that's for you. Now, semi-free traffic is basically still free. However, you will need to purchase a few softwares that will speed up the process of generating this traffic, right? And he talks about blogging, Quora, viral sharing, LinkedIn, and Pinterest automation. And then the last one is paid. So paid traffic, paid ads. So he talks about YouTube, Taboola, and solo ads. All right, so we've come to the end of this video pretty much. There's, like demonstrating the product for you. Here you have some bonuses as well. Again, guys, if you think this, it would benefit you, that you would benefit from purchasing this product, go for it. It's very motivating, it's very inspiring, to see such a beautiful progress they have made, Wilson and Neller. And you will get a lot of priceless information from this product. So yes, if you buy it, also don't forget you get my bonuses. And let's check out quickly the prices, which are actually on my bonus page. So the front end, but it's an early bird. Have in mind the price may be going up. But for now it's for $12. And here you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 upsells and some downsells as well. The upsells, the whole the main point of upsells is to give you more features, small tactics, small tips, more done for you stuff to save your time and help your business explode, basically. You have like coaching, access to coaching, you can get reseller rights, so you can buy this, you can sell this product as your own, and much more. Alright, yeah, that's it for today. And sorry, I've been like blabbing away kind of, because I am excited for them. They have created a beautiful product, and I am very happy and proud to promote it. That's what happens to me when I get passionate about something. My reviews are normally like 10-11 minutes max, but this one, I just wanted to give you some background and, come from my heart. Alright, have a beautiful day, and I shall see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao.